Welcome to another tutorial with Donya, and today we talk about the Crown Chakra. This is a unique tutorial where we explore the sacred and transcendental realms of the Crown Chakra. This is an energy center which is located at the top of our head, and it is a gateway to the divine, offering a unique path to creativity and self-expression through music. This seventh chakra is also known as the Sahasrara chakra, and it shines with a deep spiritual violet hue, and it's connecting us to a higher consciousness and the universal wisdom. By aligning this Sahasrara chakra, you can transcend the mundane and tap into an infinite possibility of the universe. This chakra encourages you to channel divine energies into your creative expression. And this is a word. So because this is the seventh, the last chakra at the top of your head, and there are so many themes, you can do self-expression through music. So like I said, the color is violet of this chakra. The organs are the pineal gland, the seat of our spiritual insight and the higher consciousness. So if you want to jump into the theme of the higher consciousness and to get in the higher consciousness, we can play in those keys which were made for this chakra. So the primary function of this chakra is understanding and connecting with the divine. So spiritually, faith, divine connection, pure consciousness, ultimate wisdom, peace and completeness. Wow, I love this chakra, especially if you want to work with that. So the crown chakra vibrates at the frequency of 172.06 hertz, which is the platonic gear, which aligns with the note F in the cosmic octave, according to Hans Kusto. So this frequency embodies spiritual alignment and divine connection, opening new creative insights, and it's elevating your songwriting. So if you just want to meditate, calm down and connect yourself to the higher consciousness, tune each string of your string instrument in 172.06 hertz. But today we talk about songwriting and how we can explore ourselves. So the key or the chord for this chakra is B. B major and B minor. So you can play B major. Today I am using a Guitarlele, so it's like the standard uke. So you would play B minor like this, and B major like this, and on the Guitarlele, that. If you need the chord explanation, feel free to be my Patreon and download the PDF. Today our focus lies in playing. So strum the B minor or B major chord, play the scale B, C sharp, C sharp, E, F sharp, G sharp, A sharp,